I have this Siemens PPD 1.5. It is from this Passat B6. And yesterday I was trying to read it with BDM frame. I was trying to read it using direct connection, but I was not successful. And then I saw some guy saying we need to update Ktag. So I have tried updating SD card, also not successful. Now finally I am reading. Before I was getting this message, hardware configuration not supported, and I solved it by changing the Ktag 12-volt adapter. It is not connected now, and instead I have plugged this VAG power source set to 13.8 volts. So if you get same issue, you can try updating your Ktag SD card. I also changed the SD card because I heard someone saying the original SD card from these Ktags are not very good quality. So I bought new SD card, but both times with old card or new card update, I was not successful. And now after using 13.8 volt power source, I am able to read it. Check this out, reading successfully completed.